The heat is rising in the room, and you can feel that familiar knot of anxiety tightening in your stomach as you look at your aquarium thermometer. Every degree that climbs upward feels like a countdown to disaster for your sensitive fish and corals. This is the exact moment when the idea of a budget-friendly chiller starts to look less like a gamble and more like a lifeline. The VEVOR Aquarium Chiller is a product that has been causing a lot of chatter lately because it promises to solve that overheating problem at a fraction of the usual cost. Usually, when you go shopping for a reliable chiller, you are prepared to drop a massive amount of cash. Seeing a price tag this low immediately sets off alarm bells while simultaneously sparking hope. You find yourself asking if the big brands have been overcharging us or if this unit is just too good to be true. On the surface, the machine seems to have everything you need. It comes with a clear digital display, easy-to-use temperature controls, and standard inlet and outlet fittings. It looks like a real piece of equipment. But as any experienced hobbyist knows, the real test happens when the water starts flowing. Feedback from the community is a real mixed bag of results. Some people swear by it for their smaller setups. They report that it holds the temperature steady and does exactly what it says on the box. But those success stories usually come with some fine print. This is not a powerhouse meant to battle extreme heat in a massive display tank. If your room gets incredibly hot, or your tank volume is pushing the limits of the unit, you might find it struggling to keep up. The cooling power feels a bit marginal compared to the heavy hitters in the industry. The compressor inside simply does not have the same muscle as the more expensive models. Then there is the issue of noise. Budget units often cut corners on sound insulation. This chiller has a very distinct presence in a room. It hums and vibrates in a way that might get under your skin if you are used to a quiet home environment. It is a constant reminder that you saved money on the internal components. Reliability is another area where you might feel the sting of the lower price point. There are reports of these units becoming erratic after several months of continuous use. You might see the cooling cycle start to drift, or the temperature sensor lose its accuracy. For some, that is a risk they are willing to take to save a few $100s. For others, the peace of mind that comes with a premium brand is worth every extra penny. Even the installation process requires a bit more patience than you might expect. While the connections are standard, getting a perfect, leak-free seal can take some finicking. You really have to be diligent during the setup phase to ensure everything is tight and secure. You cannot just plug this in and walk away without a care. In the end, it really comes down to your specific needs and your tolerance for risk. If you are on a tight budget and running a smaller tank, this could be the perfect upgrade to get you through the summer. But if you are managing a high-stakes reef system, you might want to think twice before cutting corners on temperature control. It is a functional tool that works for specific scenarios, but it is far from a perfect replacement for the high-end industry standards. You get exactly what you pay for, and in this case, that means a decent cooling unit with a side of noise and a few questions about long-term durability.